So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on P on your keyboard. Now you want to find print spooler. Double click on it. You want to make the startup type disabled and then click on apply. Now you want to click on stop, which will now make the server status stopped, and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to keep this open. Now we're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on that. Now you want to click on Windows. Now we're going to find System32. We're going to scroll down till we find System32. Double click on that. And now you want to find a folder called Spool. We're going to scroll down just a little bit until we find Spool. Double click on that. Now you want to double click on printers and then continue. And now this will come up. You want to delete everything in this folder. In my case, I don't have anything, but in your case, you should be having some files. You want to do Control A and then click on delete to delete all the files in this folder. After you delete everything in this folder, we can now close out of this. Now you want to find print spooler, double click on it, startup type, automatic, and then click on OK. Double click on it again, and then click on start, which will now make the server status running, and then click on OK. And that's how you do it.